Today I'm going to show you the two platforms that I use in my dropshipping world. Now these two platforms are going to be the key to your success if you're struggling, if you're brand new. Okay, if you're already very successful in dropshipping, this could still help you, but I understand you've got your ways. Now, the reason I make money in the dropshipping world is not because I'm better than you. It's not because I'm special. It's because I found the people to help me make it work. Now, viral Ecom Creators, okay, this is a very, very important platform for having your brand shown to the world in a professional way. Then you have Fulfillman, which is actually where you need to get the reliable product that actually gets shipped on time. So I'm going to show you the two ways to, number one, make your product scale globally using professional creators. And number two, make sure that product stays reliable, it turns up on time, and you can carry on your dropshipping life as you wish. Now guys, let's get into this video, okay? Disclaimer, I've been doing dropshipping a long time. Nothing I show you is gonna happen just overnight, but the platforms I show you will help you speed your success in dropshipping. So let's go. All right guys, here you can see viral Ecom Creators. Now this is the incredible tool, first of the two platforms I'm gonna be talking about, okay? And this is where you can actually find someone. This is more for if you already have your dropshipping life pretty much centered, okay? But all you need is someone to push it for you. This is that place. Now guys, trust me when I say, I went through the aches and pains of marketing my products myself in the first 4 or 5 years. It's much easier if you already get organic creators with UGC certified, okay? Now, you might be thinking, what does UGC even mean? All right, that is user-generated content. Let's have a look at what I'm talking about. This is trusted by over 20,000 stores, 50,000 creators delivered, 35 million organic views plus, 25 million plus sales generated, 20,000 plus happy customers. Basically, guys, you come on here, you choose who you want to deliver your products. You go through the whole criteria, okay? So this is how it works. First, you approve or deny creators. So you'll go through this list, say, yes, I want them, yes, I don't want them, I don't like their ads, I do like it. Direct chat with them, okay? Talking about scripts, examples, exactly what you want to promote. Name the rate, all right? They're giving the power back to the brand, so you name the rate that works with your brand budget, not what they request from you. Dedicated success manager, someone's gonna help you all the time, unlimited creators, and UGC, guys. This is really, really cool because the clients stay happy. Okay, they stay happy believing in this process. Pricing, guys, you can actually try this for free right now. I want you to start your free day of free trial. This is something that has helped grow my business exponentially, okay? And combining this with the second platform I'm gonna speak about is exactly why, right? It's easier to follow proven methods. It's easier to follow helpful methods in dropshipping than try and do this whole imaginary Instagram dropshipping brand that you just think you can turn up and make money. It just doesn't happen, okay? You can literally find unlimited winning creatives here, right? Creator listings, pick the creators, choose from them, continue to order, chat with them, and just scale your business. So this is something I think is so important to your business. If you don't use it, I truly believe you're gonna be already a step behind. 2018 dropshipping is not the same. Okay, this is what you need to be doing now in 2025, using that UCG platforms, and this is the best one out there, the viral Ecom. Now guys, having that platform is the key to success of scaling worldwide on social media, but having the actual product success comes down to the second platform I'm going to speak about, which is Fulfillman. Okay, this is fulfillment service and dropshipping in China. You can make sure that the products you're giving to viral Ecom creators is actually at the best standard you can get it, all right? Now, they can discuss everything with you, the dropshipping, the China sourcing, Amazon FBA services, the private line, the product photography, the crowdfunding, fulfillment, and so on, guys, all right? And you can actually use this combining with exactly what we're going to be doing here, making sure that not only do the clients get their products fast, on time, and reliable, but so do the creators. Because if we can't get the creators the product the next day or guaranteed within 4 to 5 days, we will not be able to get this ad out as fast as we can. So working with these together, guys, is my winning strategy for Fulfillman and viral Ecom creators. Okay, absolutely fantastic results if you put both to work. There you go, guys. Do me a massive, massive favor. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell notified. Hit the links down below. Get these two platforms in your portfolio, and I promise you, you're going to start making more money.